Hey everyone, welcome to my demo for the GKE Turns 10 hackathon. Today I will quickly show you the multi-agent system I built for the Bank of Anthos microservices. This agent is an ADK AI-powered self-healing system made up of a root agent and three sub-agents: monitoring, analyze, and decision agent. The monitoring agent will gather the metrics and logs. The analyze agent will figure out what's going on, and the decision agent will take actions. Let me show you this agent in action. We have two parts demo. In the first part, we will use the ADK built-in web UI. And in the second part, we will send a webhook as a simulation for an alert coming from AlertManager. The ADK UI is really cool. It allows us not only to interact with the agent in a natural language, but also will help us to trace and see what the agent is really doing. So, this agent is deployed on the same GKE cluster where our Bank of Anthos deployed. With the power of IAM and workload identity, the agent is able to authenticate with Vertex AI and use the Gemini models. For the sake of this demo, I already started the conversation with the agent and asked to list the services that it is monitoring. And we see the response with the Bank of Anthos services. Next, let's check the status of the front-end service. The agent will transfer this request to the monitoring agent, which will gather the metrics and logs and the pod status. Because the agent already knows the relationship between the Bank of Anthos services, it may check other services if needed to understand the issue better and determine the real impact. When the monitoring agent is done, it hands it over to the analyze agent. The analyze agent will figure out the root cause, understand the business impact, and decide how critical the issue is. After that, it will hand it over to the decision agent. Here, the decision agent decided to create only a Jira ticket. After that, I asked it to explicitly send a Slack notification, and you can see that it is responded. Now, the second part. Let's simulate an alert coming from an AlertManager by sending a request to the webhook. Here we are simulating a high CPU alert for the front-end service. We can see that the alert is received and the agent started to process it and starting the get service logs, get pod status, and get the service metrics. And we'll follow the same workflow. So, in just a few minutes, you've seen how this agent can turn alerts into automated actions on GKE and how easy to interact with it. Thank you for watching.